Hello friends! Is your diesel engine struggling to start in cold weather, or is the glow plug light acting up? If your scanner is showing P0384, this means there's an issue with the glow plug heater circuit, a malfunction. A faulty glow plug system can make your engine hard to start and reduce performance. But don't worry, in this video we'll break down what P0384 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0384? P0384 stands for glow plug heater circuit a malfunction. This means that the ECU has detected an issue in the glow plug circuit, which could be due to a relay failure, faulty glow plugs, or wiring issues. Diesel engines use glow plugs to preheat the cylinders for a smooth ignition, especially in cold conditions. When this system fails, your engine may crank but not start properly. Common symptoms of P0384 include difficult cold starts, especially in winter, a check engine light being on, the glow plug light staying on longer or blinking, engine misfires or rough idling, and increased exhaust smoke. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the components responsible for this issue. The glow plug circuit consists of multiple components, so finding the exact fault location is key. Main locations to inspect are the glow plug relay, usually inside the engine bay fuse box or mounted on the firewall glow plugs installed in the cylinder head. One per cylinder look near the intake manifold, the glow plug control module typically found near the valve cover or mounted on the engine block, and wiring and connectors, which run from the glow plug relay to the glow plugs. Check for loose or burnt wires. The exact location depends on your vehicle model. Always check the service manual for specific placement. Let's dive into the common causes of the P0384 code. First, a faulty glow plug relay. If the relay is stuck, the circuit won't get the correct voltage. Next, bad glow plugs, worn out glow plugs create high resistance and may fail to heat up. Damaged wiring or connectors, corroded wires can cause high resistance or short circuits. Then, we have a faulty glow plug control module. If the module fails, it won't send power to the glow plugs. Finally, a blown fuse or electrical fault, a short circuit or a failed fuse can trigger the P0384 code. Alright, so let's dive into how to fix the P0384 code. First, you'll want to use an OBD2 scanner to check for any additional glow plug related codes. Next, it's time to inspect and test the glow plug relay using a multimeter. If it's faulty, go ahead and replace it. Then, check each glow plug for proper resistance and replace any defective ones you find. After that, inspect the fuses and relays in the engine bay fuse box and replace any blown fuses. Also, be sure to check for damaged or corroded wiring in the glow plug circuit and repair as needed. If all components are working, you should test the glow plug control module and replace it if necessary. Finally, once you've gone through these steps, clear the P0384 code using an OBD2 scanner and restart the engine to see if the issue is resolved. So, to wrap things up, the P0384 code can really cause some major starting issues, especially when it's cold out there. If your diesel engine is having trouble starting, you should definitely check the glow plug circuit right away. Ignoring this issue can lead to higher fuel consumption and a rougher ride in terms of engine performance. If you're eager to learn more about related issues, make sure to watch these next videos: P0065, Air-Assisted Injector Control Circuit, and P0066, Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Control Circuit. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips. Thanks for watching and happy repairing.